Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Shall we get started? Supposed to start with exercise 7.4, right? So we didn't start, no? Did we? No, right? School இல்லையாடா இன்னைக்கு தெரிஞ்சதா நாளைக்கு இல்ல for you also it's not there. Okay. Shall we start? Yeah. So we'll get started with exercise 7.4, in which if you look at the first problem, right? So look at the first problem. We need to find the integral of 3x squared divided by x power 6 plus 1 times dx. Right? So how to solve this? If you observe, right, see, in all the problems related to integration, what is the idea? Eliminate the denominator, right? If you have to eliminate the denominator, you solve the problem in any method you want. Mostly you land up only at substitution, right? So this gives me a hint that if I need to eliminate the denominator, I need to do some substitution. But the challenge here is denominator I have x power 6, but what is going to be the derivative of x power 6? It is going to be x power 5. But I don't have x power 5 in the numerator. I have only x square. So if I need the derivative to become x square, what should I substitute as t? Derivative will always decrease the power by 1. So if I need to get x square, 3x square, to be more specific, if I need to get 3x square, what should I substitute? I need to substitute x cube. So for that, what I'm going to do in this problem is x power 6 can be written as x cube the whole square. Can I do it like this? So if I do it in this way, then the question can be interpreted as 3x square divided by x cube square plus 1. Now what can I do? Now I can substitute this x cube as t. That implies 3x square dx will be equal to dt. So 3x square dx is going to be dt. So integral of dt divided by x cube is t. So it will be t square plus 1. So when it is t square plus 1, what is going to be the answer? Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is going to be 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Or to put it simple, 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse of x. Right? So it is going to be tan inverse of what is t? T is going to be x cube plus c. This is the answer. So answer should be tan inverse of x cube plus c. Am I clear? ஏதாவது ஒரு காரணம் இருக்கும்ல? Shall I proceed? Proceed. Second problem. So we need to find the integral of 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square. So this can be written as integral of 1 divided by, take the 4 outside. So when you take the 4 outside, it will be square root of x square plus 1 by 4. But what am I taking outside? I'm taking out 4. So what will be in the denominator? It will be 2. Did you all understand this? See, root of 1 plus 4x square, if I take the 4 outside, 4 into, can I write it as x square plus 1 by 4? So square root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2 into, what is the integral of 1 by root of x square plus a square? It will be log of x plus root of x square plus a square. Right? It is the fifth formula. Right? So 1 by 2 into log of x plus how much? So root of x square plus a square plus c. This should be the answer. Am I clear with this? So please check the answer at the back also. I'm more concerned about the way they have given it. Is it fine? Is this the way they have given? 4x plus root of x square plus 1. Or that's what they did. No? Okay, it is written as 2x plus root of 4x plus 1. This is also. But as long as you understand the back answer and this are same, I'm okay. Is there anyone who has a doubt in that? Sure. Okay. Those are online, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So look at the third problem. The third problem is integral of 1 by root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 times dx. Right. So what will this be? Integral of 1 by, can I write this as root of x minus 2 the whole square plus 1? Both are same. Times dx. So what will the answer be? Log of x plus root of x square plus a square. But what is x here? This time you should not write only x. You should write it as x minus 2. Log of x minus 2 plus root of x square plus a square means the same thing you write it there. That is going to be x minus 2 the whole square plus 1 plus c. So this will be the answer. Am I clear with this? Clear? Really update. Sure. Correct. Book in the textbook. Where is yours? Do it. Do the next one. Listen. The next problem is integral of 1 by root of 9 minus 25 x square times dx. So in all the problems, you would have observed one thing. What is it we need to do? We need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So what should I take out common here? I need to take out 25. So when I take out 25, I get integral of 1 divided by square root of 9 by 25 minus x square. Right? When I take 25, so under root 25 is going to be 5. Right? I'll do a rough work and show it is going to be 25 into 9 by 25 minus x square. Am I right? So 25 coming out of the square root will be 5. So answer will be 1 by 5 times this value, root of a square minus x square. So 1 by 5 into, what is the formula for root of a square minus x square? It is going to be sine inverse of x by a. So what is x? X is x only. What is a? If you observe, 9 by 25 is a square. So square root of that, square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 25 is 5 plus c. So answer will be 1 by 5 times sine inverse of 5x by 3 plus c. Okay. So this will be the answer. So as I told you, check the answer at the back. This matching. Shall I proceed? Yes. So the next question is integral of 3x divided by 1 plus 2 into x power 4. Right. So if you observe, this is also algebraic divided by another algebraic or polynomial by polynomial. Right. So when I take this into consideration, I have x power 4 here. If I want to eliminate the denominator, then I can substitute x power 4 as t. But what should the derivative of x power 4 be? It will be 4x cubed. But I have the numerator's power as 1. So derivative of which function will give the power of x as 1? X square, right? So what I should do here is x power 4, I can split and write it as x square the whole square. So this would be integral of 3x divided by 1 plus 2 times x square the whole square times dx. So what should I do? I need to put x square as t, which implies 2x dx is equal to dt, or x dx is equal to dt by 2. So I have x dx here. In the place of x dx, I can replace it with dt by 2. Am I right? Now, this will be integral of 3 into dt by 2, the whole divided by 1 plus 2 times t square. Can I write it like that? Because x square is t, so x square the whole square is t square. Makes sense? Okay. So here what I will do is I'll take the 2 common outside. So numerator I already have 3 by 2 into integral of dt divided by, if I take the 2 common outside, it will be 1 by 2 plus t square. This whole divided by, since I took the 2 outside, the 2 in the denominator will come out. So this 3 by 2 belongs to the numerator. This 2 belongs to the denominator. So 3 by 2 by 2 is going to give me 3 by 4. So this whole thing will get converted as 3 by 4 into integral of dt divided by t square plus 1 by root 2 the whole square. Right. So answer will be 3 by 4. I will leave it as it is. Now observe. Integral of x square plus a square is 1 by a, 1 by a, which is 1 by root 2, tan inverse of x by a. So it will be t divided by 1 by root 2 plus c. So how much will be the answer? It will be 3 root 2 divided by 4 into tan inverse of root 2 into t. But what is t? X square. So it will be root 2 times x square plus c. This will be the answer. Clear? Rational exponent. Generally, we will not leave root 2 in the denominator. Shall I proceed? So integral of x square divided by 1 minus x power 6. Again, if you observe, the numerator is x square, but the denominator has the power of 6. So since you have x power 6, what you can do is you can write x power 6 as x cube the whole square, so that in that x cube, right, if you substitute it as t, then if you put x cube as t, then you will have 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. So integral of dt by 3 divided by 1 minus x cube the whole square. Okay. Sorry, I'll do one thing. I'll write these steps clearly. Correction. So this will be x square dx divided by 1 minus x cube the whole square. So x square is how much? X square dx is dt by 3. So this will be integral of dt by 3 the whole divided by 1 minus x cube is t square. Right. So this will be 1 by 3 into integral of dt by 1 minus t square. So how much will this be? 1 by 3 into what is the integral of x square minus, sorry, integral of a square minus x square? That is 1 by 2a log of x minus a divided by x plus a. So it is 1 minus t divided by 1 plus t. Sorry, it is a plus x by a minus x. Second formula. What is the second formula? Correction. So what is the answer? What is the formula? 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Right. So it will be 1 by 3 into 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by 2a. So 1 divided by 2a into log of a plus x, that is 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. Maybe 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So 1 by t into log of 1 plus x cube divided by 1 minus x cube plus c. Right. So this will be the answer. Clear with this? Correct? Shall I proceed? Listen. The next question is integral of x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1. So what we can do here is, if you observe, this is of the form linear divided by quadratic, means it is of the form px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Remember, it is of the form px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c. So what are we supposed to do here? You will write px plus q is equal to a into, okay, this small a, small b is what we can write. A into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. Okay. So here it is going to be x minus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 1, right? Plus b. So what is that you're going to get? This will be equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 1 is going to be 2x, and you have plus b. So this clearly indicates that you have, 1 minute, that you have 2ax plus b. So what is the value of 2a? 2a is equal to 1, which implies a is equal to half. And what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 1. So 2a is, a is equal to half and b is equal to minus 1. Am I clear? Now, so what I can do here is, I'll take this value and substitute it in this equation. So root of, correction, it's not root of, integral of x minus 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 can be rewritten as integral of half into 2x plus, what is the value of b? It is minus 1, the whole divided by root of x square minus 1 dx. So when you do this, you split the denominator to each term in the numerator. So half into integral of 2x divided by root of x square minus 1 dx minus integral of 1 divided by root of x square minus 1 dx. Right. So half into, if I take x square minus 1 as t, right? If I take x square minus 1 as t, what will be dt? 2x dx. So it is of the form dt divided by root t. So what will you have? You will have 2 times root t. So 2 times root of x square minus 1 minus dx by x square minus a square. 1 by root of x square minus a square is log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Right. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So hence the answer is going to be root of x square minus 1 minus log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Clear? So check this. Shall we proceed? ஓகே, நம்ம இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஆக்சுவலாக உள்ள மேம்க்கு சொல்லியிருக்கோம். Solving this problem, I'll just be back. வேற பிசிக்ஸ் மட்டுமே படி. A small issue. Okay. Max sir will join 6 p.m. today. Okay. Chemistry sir is stuck in some meeting. So அது வரைக்கும் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 6 o'clock math sir will be here. சரி. Textbooks இருக்க math. Start working on them. Which chapter is going on? Correct only. Proceed. Those are online. Could you do it? What is the idea for this problem? By now, you should have solved this. Wherever you have x power 6 in the denominator and the numerator as x square. Now what? Huh? So listen. So the eighth question is x square divided by root of x power 6 plus a power 6. So x power 6, you can write it as x cubed the whole square. A power 6, you can write it as a square, or sorry, a cube the whole square. Right. So that this will become integral of x square divided by root of x cube the whole square plus a cube the whole square times dx. Am I right? So x cube is going to be equal to how much? If you take x cube as t, that implies 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx is equal to dt by 3. Right? Integral of dt by 3 divided by root of t square plus a cube the whole square. So 1 by root of x square plus a square. What is the formula? Log of x plus, what is x here? X is t plus root of x square plus a square. So t cube, sorry, it is t square plus a power 6. Right? Plus c. Right? So this is going to be log of, what is t? It is x cube plus this is going to be root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Is the point clear? Yeah. So it is dt by 3, right? So you have 1 by 3 here and you have a 1 by 3 here. So answer should be 1 by 3 times log of x cube plus root of x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. Is that clear? Shall I proceed? Right. So the next question is integral of secant square x divided by root of tan square x plus 4. So since the numerator is secant square x, remember secant square is a derivative of tan and the denominator has tan in it. So what you can do is you can put tan x is equal to t, that implies secant square x dx is equal to dt. So this will get converted as integral of dt divided by root of t square plus 4. So 1 by root of a square plus x square is equal to log of log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So this should be how much? Log of, what is the value of x? That is t. Log of tan x plus root of tan square x plus 4 plus c. This will be the answer. Okay. Hey, Andra. So the 10th problem is 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 2 times dx, right? So here, when it is 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, what are we supposed to do? You need to follow the completing the square method, right? So this will be equal to integral of 1 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 means it will be x plus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 1. I directly wrote it. See, first you will write x. So since the middle term is plus, put a plus. What should you do? You should write half of the coefficient of x, that is 1. So make it a whole square. Plus, write the constant as it is, subtract the square of this value, that is 1. So how much will be the answer? So these many times dx is equal to integral of dx divided by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus 1. So 1 by root of x square plus a square is going to be equal to log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So basically x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 is nothing but the question itself. So you can write that itself. So x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c. So this will be the required answer. Did you all understand? Right? Next. Shall I proceed? So next question is integral of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Right. So here also the numerator is a constant, the denominator is a quadratic equation. So what we need to do is we need to follow the completing the square method. So for completing the square method, you first need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So this is going to be integral of dx the whole divided by, if I take 9 outside, it is going to be x square plus 6 by 9 times x plus 5. Right. So this will be equal to 1 by 9 into integral of dx divided by, it is going to be x plus 6 by 9 means make it half of it. So 6 by 9 means half of it is going to be 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. Right. So it is going to be 1 by 3. So x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 5 I will write it as it is minus the square of this value minus 1 by 9. Am I right? So then what are we supposed to do? 1 by 9 into integral of dx divided by x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 5 minus 1 by 9. So 5 minus 1 by 9 is going to be 44 by 9. So 44 by 9 means this will be square root of 44 by 3 the whole square. Can I write it like this? So you will get 45 by 9, which is going to be square root of 44 by 3 the whole square. 3 square is 9. So actually I have 5 by 9 here. Yeah. So it should be 4 by 9 then. Okay, I have to explain it. So it is 5 by 9 here. So you'll have 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9, which is going to be 4 by 9 itself. So 1 by 9 into integral of dx the whole divided by, it is going to be x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 4 by 9, I can write it as 2 by 3 the whole square. So I'll write it as 2 by 3 the whole square. So this will be equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a. So 1 by a is how much? 1 by a is 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by a. So it is going to be x plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 plus c. This 3 will cancel this 9 3 times. So what are you going to get? You will get 1 by 6 times tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. So tan 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. Right? Do this. Is it a whole square root or only half? Whole, no? What is the answer? பண்ணுங்கடா. பண்ணு, do. Finish. What is the answer? Log of x plus 3. Hmm. X plus 3 the whole square plus 7 minus 1. Minus 7 minus minus 7 minus minus 16. So you'll have negative of x plus 3 the whole square minus 16. So it will be 16 minus of x plus 3 the whole square. What happened to that minus? If you take the minus out of the square root, it will become a complex number, ra. Deivame. I was wondering, how did you get x plus 3? We will get a negative, we will get 1 by 2a, not 1 by 2a. You will get log of, no, it is 1 by a square minus x. It is, answer is sine inverse of x plus 3 by 4. Check. Is that the given answer? Sine inverse of x plus 3 by 4 is the answer. Huh? That's a mistake. You didn't bring the minus inside. Okay, listen. So the 12th question is integral of dx divided by 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. So here also we are going to follow the completing the square method. So integral of dx divided by square root of minus of x square plus 6x minus 7. Am I right? So this is equal to integral of dx divided by square root of negative of, it will be x plus 3 the whole square, right? Minus 7 is already there. Minus, you need to subtract 9. Right? So this will be integral of dx divided by root of negative of x plus 3 the whole square. X plus 3 the whole square minus 16. Okay. So take the minus inside. This will become integral of dx divided by square root of 16 minus of x plus 3 the whole square, which is of the form 1 by root of a square minus x square, and the formula for 1 by root of a square minus x square is sine inverse of x by a. So answer should be sine inverse of, in the place of x you have x plus 3 divided by, in the place of a you have 4 plus c. So sine inverse of x plus 3 by 4 plus c. Clear? Shall I proceed? So for this one, first what you need to do is multiply both the factors, get the quadratic equation, then follow the completing the square method, and then solve it. Definite 4 mark question. மறந்துடலாம். அப்ப பண்ணு. ஆமா 3 marks அட்லீஸ்ட் வரும். ஏண்டா பயோட் சவர்ட்ல ஒரு ஸ்டெப்ல அப்ளை பண்ணி ஃபார்முலா 4 மார்க் தரானுங்க. என்னது கிழிச்சானுங்க. நீட்ல எல்லாம் என்ன 4 மார்க் எதுக்கு வரும்? சும்மா தானே ஓசியில தானே வருது. அதுதான் அதே மாதிரி இதுக்கு வருது இல்லை. அட்லீஸ்ட் யுவர் ரைட்டிங் ஸ்டெப்ஸ். எந்த கொஸ்டின்? பிசிக்ஸா? அதெல்லாம் 4 மினிட்ஸ் அதுக்கு வேல்யூ 4 மார்க்ஸ் ஆகுது சார். அதுவும் தப்பா பண்ண 1 மார்க் போகுது சீரியஸ்ல போவாது. எம்சிக்யூல என்ன ஆகுது? எம்சிக்யூல என்ன ஆகுது? அப்போ உனக்கு நெகட்டிவ் மார்க் வேணும்ன்ற சிபிஎஸ்சில உள்ள டஃப்னஸ் லெவல் என்ன? நீட் கஷ்டம். நீட் சிபிஎஸ்சி ஒண்ணுதான்டா. சிபிஎஸ்சி படிச்சு நீட்டை கிளியர் பண்ணவனா இருக்கான். பிரபஞ்சன் கேட்டு அவனோட இன்டர்வியூஸ் அவன் இது பார்த்துருக்கேன். அவன் இன்டர்வியூ பார்த்தியா? பிரபஞ்சன். எது ஆலனா? வேலம்மாள் ஸ்டூடெண்ட். காசு கொடுத்த உன் போட்டோ கூட வைக்கல நிறைய. நீ கூட ஒத்துக்கோ போட்டோ வைக்கிற. பிவிஆர்ல அவ்வளவு பெரிய ஆட் போட்டிருக்கானு அவனை பத்தி. நாராயண டெக்னோ ஸ்கூல் வெளில போய் அங்க கூட இருப்பான். சைத்தன்யா ஸ்கூல்ல போய் அங்கேயும் படிச்சிருப்பான். ஒரு மனுஷன் எத்தனை இடத்துல படிப்பான்? டிஸ்டன்ட்னு போட்டுருவானுங்க. டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எஜுகேஷன் போட்டுருவானுங்க. நீ வாங்கு நாளைக்கு. நீ நாளைக்கு வாங்கு. எத்தனை பேர் இடத்துல உன் போட்டோ இருக்குன்னு பாரு. ஆல் இண்டியா ரேங்க் 1. எல்லாம் இங்கே நான் இங்கே சொல்லல. எத்தனை சென்டர்ல உன் போட்டோ இருக்குன்னு சொல்றேன். அவ்வளவு நம்பிக்கை உன் மேல உனக்கு. யாரா இவன்? அதுதான்டா சொல்றேன். முன்னாடி எப்படா போட முடியும்? அவனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் புரியுது. நான் பேசுறது உனக்கு புரியுதா? நான் என்னடா சொன்னேன், இந்த வருஷம் நீட் வர 2024ல நீ ஆல் இண்டியா ரேங்க் வாங்கி காட்டு. நீ வாங்கினா போஸ்டர் எடுத்து இடத்துல இருக்கும் பாருன்ற. நான் அப்படியே ஒரு ரோலிங்ல போடுவானுங்க பேனர். அப்படியே காட்டட்டும் எத்தனை. நான் இல்ல, அவன் என்ன நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா உனக்கு? டேய் நான் பேசுறது உனக்கு புரியுதா? அவனுக்கு சொல்லு. விட்டு do this problem. இதையாவது பண்ணு கரெக்டா. 4 marks தான்
சார்.
சொல்றா.
ஆன்சர் வந்துச்சு சார்.
சொல்றா ஆன்சர் என்ன?
சார் log of modulo x minus 3/2 plus root of x minus 3/2 the whole square minus 1/4 plus c.
ஒரே minus 1/4 வருது.
Minus is minus 1/2 the whole square.
இது ஒரே நிமிஷம். You will have x square minus 3x plus 2. So 2/2 minus root 5 எதுவும் வரலையாடா?
root 5 எல்லாம் வரல சார்.
சரி இரு, I'll check. So the question is integral of 1 by root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. This is equal to integral of dx divided by root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Right? So this will be equal to integral of dx divided by square root of x minus 3/2 the whole square plus 2 minus 3/2 the whole square is going to be 9/4. So you will get minus 1/4. Right? So integral of dx divided by root of x minus 3/2 the whole square plus 2 minus 9/4 is minus 1/4. So can I directly write minus 1/2 the whole square? Can I directly write minus 1/2 the whole square? So 1 by root of x square minus a square is log of x minus log of x minus 3 by 2. So x minus 3 by 2 plus root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus c. Right? Or the other way of writing this is you can write it as log of mod of x minus 3 by 2 is there. No, you can write it as 2x minus 3 divided by 2, right? Plus this root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 is nothing but the question itself. That is this thing. Plus root of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. And this will be log of mod 2x minus 3 plus 2 times root of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. Right? This will be the answer. So you can either write it in this way or this way. Right? So what is the answer given at the back? Which one is given? The first one or the second one? First one கொடுத்திருக்க, second one கொடுத்திருக்க. எங்க இருக்கு? They left it as it is, no? See, both are same. In your textbook, they have left it with this. You can go with this, or this is also correct. Right? So 14th one is integral of 1 by root of 8 plus 3x minus x square. Okay. So integral of dx divided by square root of, if I take the minus sign outside, negative of x square minus 3x minus 8, right? This will be integral of dx divided by square root of minus of x square minus 3x minus 8 means it is x minus 3 by 2 the whole square, x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 8 minus 9 by 4. Right? Minus 8 minus 9 by 4. So integral of dx divided by square root of, what are you going to have? Minus 8 minus 9 by 4 is going to be minus 17 by 4. Right? So minus 17 by 4 into minus is going to be plus 17 by 4 minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Right? Oh, 30 to 41, no? So this is going to be integral of dx divided by square root of, it is 41 by 4 with a minus sign. So answer will be 41 by 4 minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Am I right? So what is 1 by root of a square minus x square? It is sine inverse of x by a. So x is going to be x minus 3 by 2. And what is a? It is root 41 by 2. Right? Plus c. So when you take LCM, you're going to have sine inverse of 2x minus 3, sine inverse of 2x minus 3 divided by square root of 41 plus c. So this will be the answer. Am I clear with this? Are you clear? So I'll stop with this. How many more problems are there? 11 more, right? 11, right? So out of the 11 questions, if I'm not wrong, do you have problems like linear by quadratic, linear by square root of quadratic? So those are the problems where a little bit of time will be consumed. Because you need to write it as px plus q is equal to a into ax derivative of ax square plus bx plus c plus capital B. You remember that? You need to do them. So these problems are simple only, no? Remember, these kind of problems will be useful in your next chapter also. Just before we wind up, now one question. X minus 3 by 2 the whole square, right? X minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 41 by 4 is equal to 0. See, forget this, okay? X minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 41 by 4 is 0 means what kind of an equation does it represent? What equation does it represent? Represents a parabola. Quadratic equation, no? Basically it represents an upward parabola. Whereas this one represents a downward parabola. Why I'm telling this is in the next chapter, you will have to find the area made by the parabola between the given points. At that time, you will have these kind of problems. Only difference is instead of stopping with this, you will be applying the limits. So that is why this exercise is very, very important for your next chapter also. So don't ignore it. I repeat, whatever you're learning here is applicable for applications. Obviously, right? Whatever you're learning here should be applicable to applications of integrals. Correct? So that's the thing. Okay, we'll wind up with this. So let's get can leave them. Get in. Yes, can. Those are online. If there are no questions, we can wind up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.